As we proceed trying to get rich in crypto, there's always one question, and this question is, what is the next 100x coin that we have to buy and hold? You know what I mean? Because we have seen coins like BNB performing very, very well during the last bull run, and this is because BNB is a native token for Binance Crypto Exchange. So these crypto exchanges really try hard to push or pump these prices for their native tokens, because these native tokens are good for the crypto exchanges. So the question is, what is the next native token that you can take advantage of in 2024? So in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best tokens that I'm paying attention to, and I spent at least 30% of my holdings to buy said. It's called CoinEx token. So CoinEx token is a native token for CoinEx Crypto Exchange, and you can see this chart that ever since they launched this coin, it has been going up. All right, so the reason why I'm buying CoinEx token is because of benefits that are behind this token. If you hold this token, you get free airdrops. If you hold this token, you can stake it and make some money and stuff like that out of it. And moreover, the price of the coin keeps on going up. All right, to say you have seen a dump, I'll give you an example. Today I've seen a dump and Bitcoin went down by at least 12%. And if you pay attention to other coins, you would find out that most coins have gone down by 20%. For example, Solana has gone down by 20%. Wave has gone down by 28%, and all these coins, all these meme coins have dropped in value. But only a few coins that have strong foundation, they're really holding good. Like for example, CoinEx token has only dumped minus 11% today. So if you pay attention, or if you zoom out, you can see that this is an ongoing uptrend. You know what I mean? So this is also a reason why I bought some CoinEx token. So this is the current price of this token, currently being traded at 0.6 USD. As you can see, it's still very low. And if you check, since it was launched out right here, you can see that it has been going up. All right, so the team behind it is really working hard on this coin. It has total market cap of over 173 million, and you can see that circulating market cap is also 173 million, and total circulation is over 2.7 billion. And also CoinEx Exchange uses 20% of daily platform fees to repurchase CoinEx token. So this is also the reason why the coin keeps on going up. So I really believe that this is the next BNB because of all the benefits and the price action and stuff like that. If you try to compare it with BNB, you can see that BNB was actually being traded around 1 USD, but overall it has been going up, and this is exactly what is going to happen to CoinEx token. You know what I mean? So you can see that BNB back here was being traded around 4 USD, 5 USD, but it has been going up non-stop till today. So this is the similar situation that can actually happen to CoinEx Exchange. So this is, my name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to share with you what I'm buying and what I'm holding and what I'm believing in, so that you guys can also take advantage of all these opportunities. The link to CoinEx is going to be in the description below, so you can just sign up to CoinEx and get some of these coins, so that you can also take advantage of airdrops, and you can also stake these coins and make money out of these coins as well. So this is, my name is Arthur. Therefore, I'll start the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.